Whether you're updating or renovating, adding tile to your kitchen or bathroom is now easier than ever with the SKIL 7-inch wet tile saw, 3550. The saw's innovative HydroLock system keeps water splash to a minimum so tiles can be cut in the room where they're being installed. You no longer need to go back and forth to a saw set up in the garage or outside to cut the tiles. So the SKIL tile saw with HydroLock system helps you finish the project faster. To the 3550 works with a 7-inch continuous rim diamond blade, which provides efficient and even cutting. It also comes equipped with a durable rust-resistant aluminum tabletop and a sliding side extension that can be used to support tiles up to 18 by 18 inch. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. HydroLock water containment system keeps water contained near the blade and reduces cleanup time. Number 2. Sliding side extension provides support for tiles up to 18 by 18 inch. Number 3. The aluminum tabletop is a durable, rust-resistant surface. Number 4. Adjustable rip fence with miter gauge for accurate straight and miter cuts. Number 5. Bevel cuts tile at 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, giving flexibility for different cut types. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this include a blade? Answer. Yes, the blade is included. The tile saw includes the 7 inches diamond blade, side extension, rip fence, miter gauge, blade guard, and blade wrench. Question number 2. Need to slice 1/8 of an inch to 1/2 inch glass rods, code 104 and 32. Slice cylinder equals thickness of rod and length of 4 mm. Cut should be clean but not pristine. Will this work? Answer. The SKIL 3550 is not designed for cutting glass, it is designed for cutting tile. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.